Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start inside Excel with a clean worksheet that represents your form schema. Enter each question in column A, choose a type like short answer or multiple choice in column B, and put option values separated by commas in column C. Mark required questions in column D with true or false. Once done, save the workbook as XLSX and make sure headers are clear. This structured layout is how you'll map Excel rows to Google Form elements, so be precise now to avoid edits later. Now move to Google Sheets. Import the Excel file so your rows appear as a sheet. Open extensions, then Apps Script, and paste a script that iterates each row, creates a form item based on the type column, and splits option text on commas for choices. Once authorized, run the function to generate a new form. The script handles required flags and default titles. Make sure type names match the script's expected values, because mismatches yield wrong item types. Adjust the sheet names if results differ. Complete by running the app script to create the form, and then open that form to verify question order, option parsing, and required flags. You can fine-tune validation, images, or section breaks directly in the form editor. Use manual edits sparingly so your Excel source stays authoritative. If the script throws errors, make sure header names match exactly, trim stray spaces in cells, and reauthorize the script's permissions. That single check usually fixes most problems and keeps your Excel to form workflow repeatable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.